Hello, Algebra 1A students. If you're working with Buchanan's Distribute and CLT Combined Like Terms worksheet, I have this help for you of the odd problems. And go ahead and do what you can with the evens. Go ahead and make mistakes. Don't worry, this is just practice, but hopefully you can take what you learn with the odd and apply it to the evens. Here we go. If you need to slow down this video, go ahead and stop it and, take your time on these problems as I'm going to go through these rather quickly. What I do is I take this -8 and I multiply it by this 3, and I get -8 times 3 is -24. There was an a with that 3, so I bring that a down with it. Then I take the -8 and I also multiply it by this +5. -8 times +5, you do it on your calculator, you get -40. And then over here I had this +2a hanging on, and I have it hanging on still. Now I CLT, combine like terms. I combine the like terms, so I have this -24a and I have a +2a. -24 plus 2 is -22, and they both have an a with it because they're like terms. And this -40, I just bring it on down. Okay? Do the same thing for number 3. 2 goes times 3, 2 goes times 5. There's an a with that 3, so it becomes a. The like terms here are the 10 and the 7, so 10 plus 7 is 17. And that's as far as I can go with that one. Okay, here I do the distributive property over here. -7 times 6 is -42, and there's a v with that. -7 times a -8 is a +56. I combine my like terms, and I get -46v. -46v plus 56 is my final answer. That's as far as I can go. This -3 goes times 6, gives me -18. There's a k with it, put that with it. -3 times -3 is a +9. And then I combine my like terms. 9 minus 1 is 8. So I have -18k plus 8. 7 times 7 is 49. Then 7 times the -6n is -42n. And I have this +1 I bring on down. My 49 and my 1 are the only things I can put together. So I'm left with my -42n plus 50. 49 plus 1 is 50. Now, if you wrote it the other way, if you have it, 50 minus 42n, that's okay too. Okay, it's the same thing, just written a little differently. I distribute the 2 times the 5, get 10. 2 times the -8b gives me -16b, and I have this plus 7b over here. I combine the like terms. -16b plus 7b is -9b plus 10. And if you wrote it backwards, if you have 10 minus 9b, you're good. Then I have 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times -2 is -14b, and then I have my -b minus b. So -14 minus 1 is my -15b, and I just bring that 7 on down. If you wrote it differently too, -15b plus 7, that's fine also. My distributive property here is -3 times 5 gives me -15. -3 times a +4 gives me -12. And I had the -2x out here. -2x minus 15 gives me the -17x. And I just bring that -12 down. And I'm good to go. Okay, so hopefully this helps. And let me know if you need any help with the even ones. But like I said, you're going to have to put forth a little bit of effort and learn from mistakes anyways. So go ahead and make mistakes on those. It's just an assignment, and good luck.